Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm doing another unboxing and it's another Hirono figure brought to me by my roommate. Yay! Okay, let's unbox this. Ooh, mad fancy. Wow. This has never happened to me before, actually. I'm just trying to keep this box. Okay. Oh my god, I think I got the little box one, the one with the box. That's like... Oh my god, this one is the one with the boxer, yeah. I think I got Nowhere Safe. Yeah, I think I got Nowhere Safe. Yep, Nowhere Safe. He looks so cute. His little party hat. So I put him inside, right? Yep. Yeah. Oh, he fits. Nowhere Safe. Let's do a little card.